Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to download the data off your Tiger XT PID using the Tiger PID software. Follow these instructions to ensure you can efficiently and effectively export and receive your data. Once the Tiger PC software is open, navigate to the Instruments tab at the top of the screen. This tab will allow you to interact with your connected Tiger PID instrument. Click on the Read button. This action will allow you to load data from your Tiger PID instrument into the Tiger PC software. After the instrument has been successfully read and processed, click on the Data Log tab. Here you will see all the data recorded by your device, complete with timestamps for each log entry. To download the data, locate and click the Menu button in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, you have two choices for exporting your data. Export all sessions to Excel. This option will allow you to export all logs from your device to an Excel file, and export selected sessions to Excel. This option allows you to record specific data logs that you wish to export. After selecting your preferred option, you'll be prompted to name your file. Finally, click Save. The program will then process the export and save your file to your designated location. Once the export is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Click the OK button to continue. The exported data should look something like this. Alternatively, if you would like to view a graphical representation of the data logs you have just recorded by your Tiger instrument, under the navigation pane, navigate to Data Log. This will display the session data logs that you have recorded throughout your session. On this page, you can view the parameters of the data log, such as the max reading, the session number, the zone at which you've set, the upper and lower alarms, as well as the time the logging started and the interval of the recordings. You can navigate through this section to select specific timestamps of the recording, which will display the max reading and the time at which it was taken. If you wish to export this data, you can navigate to the menu section on the top right and export to an Excel or CSV file, as well as to a JPG image. And there you have it. You successfully downloaded and exported the data from your Tiger XT PID instrument. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet rental team at 1-800-000-744.